Yeah. Go for it.
Hey everyone, welcome to Small Batches Dev's first ever live stream. If you're actually going to watch this on YouTube and stick through it, we're just going to be working on some new bugs and features that we need in our blog application. So yeah, just chill and enjoy.
Yeah, let us know if you have any questions in the chat.
True that.
All right, let's get...
This will be a YouTube video, so don't, in the comments. He's new. He's a new guy.
It is what it is.
Play the music.
Yeah.
Let's get started. Minimize that. Yeah. There you go. Look at you.
All right, so...
natural. Wait, the music. Is it going?
Yeah.
How's it sound, Mark?
Music quiet, like really, really quiet.
Okay,
is that better?
Take a second.
Is that better? Can you still hear us okay? All right, cool.
Thanks, Mark.
Thanks, Mark. Shout out, Mark.
Shout out to Mark.
All right, so which one do you want to work on first? You want to just do the timestamps?
Yeah, timestamps.
All right, so basically we're just going to be adding timestamps to our blog posts so that we can sort them properly, because right now they are sorting oldest to newest, which is not okay.
I think we actually do have the fields in the model. We just need to add it. We need to actually be using them. We're not using them right
now. The blog post model?
Yeah, so when we save.
Okay. And by the way, we are using Angular and TypeScript, Firebase, some of the big ones.
So we can change those to a timestamp type if you want.
Yeah, the Firebase.
Oh, do you want to turn
IntelliSense on?
Yeah. Code sugs.
Code suggestions as you type. All the help we can get. And if we import this. /app. Always complains about that. What is this? Firestore.timestamp?
I don't remember.
Yeah. Boom.
Nice.
I've done it many times.
Yeah. Many more than me.
The only thing I forgot to do is how... I think you do Firebase firestore.timestamp.now to actually set it. So in our new post, or edit post, we just need to add...
Yeah. That was what you're saying.
Firebase.firestore. Yeah, I'm gonna set it initially.
I think in general it's quiet, like as a whole, like the whole sound.
Okay. Is that better?
Is that better, Mark? Mark, is that better?
Up a little bit more.
Are you our mod?
I mean, if you want me to be.
Is that better? Can you hear us now? This is like maxed out. I can't turn it any higher.
Yeah, turn up your
Is the music too quiet? Try turning up your computer, yeah.
Try turning up your bit rate. Or your DPI.
Yeah, it's fine. If you just turn it up, it's fine.
Turn up your DPI a little bit.
Is the music too loud? Alright, cool.
It's good, dude.
Sweet, man.
Why is it making you...
I don't know why it's not,
What is going on?
I think it just... There we go. Alright, so now we can do firebase.firestore.timestamp.now, and that will add the current server timestamp on Firebase's servers.
Well, hold on.
This is just if there isn't an... Oh, maybe...
Yeah, it needs to be for both.
Yeah, so let's just
Or
do...
just- It's always going to be that, yeah.
Yeah, we always update it on the updated on. Okay, cool. So do you want to test this? Do you want to see if it works?
Yeah.
Create a new post?
Yeah. Does this use our production database?
Probably does.
That's fine. We actually need to filter sometimes for our previous stuff.
Whoa, that is a huge developer console. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out.
Log in.
It's a nice login button. Sweet. Dashboard, new post.
I don't know if it'll log anything.
We should have. Oh yeah, we should definitely log it before we.
We can just open up Firebase.
Oh yeah, okay. Invalid document reference.
Oh yeah, this was.
Did we forget to merge something? Is this the wrong branch? Just gotta do a quick update. Oh, it is. Okay. What is the error?
Open up Firebase. Yeah.
What? See if we forgot anything. We sure did not.
No. Open up Firebase.
Well, it did. I don't think it saved. It gave us that error. Oh, look, here we go. Updated on. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, we need a pretty URL.
Nice. Created on, updated on.
Do you want to open up Firebase in Firefox here?
Yeah. Why is Firefox so difficult? Alright, so as you can see, our created on and updated on is working great. Now we just need to sort the list on our homepage by these dates. So I think if we could just update our query functions on that page.
Right. Yeah. Well,
Is it the
you go to
homepage?
service? Database service, yeah. Database service.
Get posts.
This will be a get published posts.
This that database that collect not post that rush that where
I forget how to sort.
dot. Let's look it up.
Dude, Bing. Love Bing.
Bing. Oh my goodness. We should probably just use the actual Firebase.
Did you sort by timestamp? Oh.
Order by us. I think we want Angular Firebase.
Firestore.
Angular Fire to sort collection.
I'm gonna minimize that.
This?
Yeah. So you can see. Yeah. I didn't know that was in the browser. I thought you were gonna use the desktop app.
Just what desktop that? Oh yeah. All right, let's dive into these docs.
Ducks.
Docs. Collections. Querying collections. There we go. Order by. Sort the specified field in descending or ascending order.
Yeah.
Perfect. Dot order by. Updated on.
Is that what it is in Firebase?
Yeah. Updated on right there.
Do we
Cool.
want
And I think
updated
it's.
on or created on?
I think probably created on, right?
Yeah. So we'll have to. Some of them don't have created on. Well, none of them have created on. So.
We can probably just go back and save them.
That'll be updated on.
No, but it'll also set the created on because it won't have one.
Oh yeah, true.
So we can test that out right now.
Make sure we do them in the right order.
Nice big error. Alright, so this one is.
What's our first one? I think they're in decent
Yeah.
order now.
What is this? The query requires an index. Oh, because we're adding ordered on. How far does this thing go?
Oh shit, we got.
Alright, well, while that's creating an index, we can work on adding a YouTube video URL. You want to do this one?
Sure. That we'll need to add to our model for blog.
Yeah, I'll have to add a YouTube URL property and then embed it on the post page.
Cool. We'll need to add it here too. Under this editor.
You can probably make that code screen bigger than the Trello board.
Yeah. Probably don't even need the Trello board right now. But keep it open.
Yeah, it's a good reminder. Keeps us focused. There's an empty string. Nice. Nice.
What does this look like right now? I always forget.
Second tab.
Second tab.
That formatting though.
Just copy one of these for now. Let's put it under the pretty URL, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just duplicate that input.
This one?
Mm-hmm. I wouldn't do it. No, because that one disables if it's already existing.
Yeah.
YouTube embed URL.
Okay, now on the...
View.
Is it read?
I think it's view. View post. Yeah, now we just need to add the actual embed. So do you know how to...
I don't.
Okay, we should look up how to display a YouTube video via URL. Like as an embed.
Embed.
Yeah, embed. Classic. iframe. Yeah, do that one. Look at that. Look at Bing being helpful.
What are we gonna put it at the bottom?
I'd put it right underneath the header at the top.
Okay.
Just don't. I wouldn't make it huge. Post.header.
420 by 315.
Yeah, after line 9. Or after line 12. That way you get the subheader and the header together. Actually, yeah, put it after written by. Yeah, there you go.
Add a div.
Dude, nice emit. Look at those emit skills.
Yeah. Practice very hard on my emit. I wonder if you need that autoplay was 1 at the end.
No, that would probably
no,
just,
okay.
yeah. Probably start it auto-playing.
What is this weird, like, 2%?
So that is one of the plugins that I'm using, and it's using machine learning to guess what you want to do, and it's got a 2%.
chance.
It's got a 2%, like, it thinks there's a 2% chance that it thinks it's right. I forgot.
Not a very good chance.
I forgot what the actual terminology is. Okay, let's try it. Alright, Small Batch Dev's website.
Small batch divas.
Close, but
Small.
no cigar. Let's grab a...
Small blind devs.
That would make coding very hard.
That's gambling.
Ryan Reynolds.
Yeah.
Shout out.
We watch the 80s.
Dude, look at this. I think we should go with our latest video.
Hey everyone. Which we won't be able to save because the index. I guess we can save. This is gonna change the. Created on. Hold on. Let's go. Is this the test one? Okay.
No, it won't.
Okay.
It won't save it.
Okay. I was just making sure you're adding it to the test one and not the.
Yeah.
Check out Firebase.
It's gone. Oh, we didn't publish it.
Wait, which?
CIC.
Oh, you're working on that one right now.
I think I finished it.
You didn't publish it.
Whoops. Alright, let's check this out. Publish.
Why did I say hi? Oh, Allie's probably commenting for me on my computer.
Nice. I don't know how to go back to the non... Oh, here we go.
Shout out to Allie,
Shout out.
my fiance.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And it doesn't work.
She said, no, it's me, Austin.
Unsafe value used in a resource URL. Okay, so now I think we just have to clean it.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Clean URL JavaScript.
We don't want no dirty URLs.
I think there's an Angular
Yeah.
method for it.
AngularJS. That's what I'm looking for.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Wait.
No, AngularJS is Angular 1.
Oh yeah. I know. Come
There we go. How to sanitize a URL.
on. Sanitize it. Clean it.
You need to use the bind, the result of the sanitizer. How's this guy sanitizing it?
This dot sanitizer.
It is something like that.
Safe URL? It returns a safe URL. Let's just try to. Can we try to dependency inject to sanitize?
Yeah. Is it
Sanitize
editor?
your URL because COVID. Yeah, good point.
That is a very good point.
Good point, me.
Sanitizer. DomSam?
I don't know.
I think it is DOM sanitizer. Or is it URL sanitizer?
28% chance of it being bad. I mean,
Just
look it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you switch to Google?
Yeah.
You're giving me anxiety.
Could be missing out on so many things. sanitize URL. Look, Dom sanitize our
Love
first
you too.
one.
Way to go, funny version of Austin.
That's weird talking to yourself.
Yeah, it is. I love me.
Cause I love me. Why isn't it dependency? Why isn't it adding the... Yes, add the import statement. Thank you. Sanitizer. Is it .url?
Yeah.
No, it's bypass security.
Trust URL. I feel like this makes your thing worse.
I think it's more open to attacks, but we're the only ones who can publish to this, so hopefully nobody's being mean. Let's just see if that works. That's nifty. It did not. Unsafe value used in the resource URL. Why doesn't it auto switch? Firefox. Bypass security.
Do you mind if I go get some water?
Yeah, go for it, man.
So you do mind?
I don't mind. Go for it, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm all alone. Alright, so we're just going to have to update this observable pipe so that we actually sanitize the URL before putting it into the HTML, because it obviously did not like that. So we're just going to return post, but first we're going to do the post.youtube URL equals, boom, post.youtube URL. Okay, so that should do it. What is it complaining about? We're gonna cheat here. We're gonna cheat just to see if it works. It's forbidden. Please do what I want. Still getting that issue.
Wish I had a standing desk.
You wish I had a standing desk? Why?
I can stand.
Dom
Sit back here.
sanitization service. That's... Why are you sitting back there?
Chill. Figure it out.
No. It's pretty annoying, actually. But that's what being a web developer is all about.
Do we need to sanitize it before we save it?
That's what I don't think so. Bypass security trust resource URL. Being a web developer is basically trial and error. Close all these tabs. It's a no-go, dude. Maybe we should just not.
Mark does not have our stream open.
Doesn't care.
Hey, do you have our stream open?
What's up?
Do you have our stream open?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it.
This sanitizer.
Go to the bottom.
Bypass security trust resource URL.
Well, you can pipe it to safe. What is that?
He built a custom
Oh,
pipe up
I
here, which is
see.
actually really handy,
Yeah.
but I don't really want to do that. So our YouTube URL is an object. Changing this breaks application security. What the heck? That is some property name. Alright, let's try that. I did cheat a little bit. Just to let you know, Austin, no one should be upset.
Wait, what did you do? What?
I'm just accessing this property on this YouTube URL object because
Why is it named changing this breaks applications?
I don't know. See, it's got this YouTube URL. Changing this breaks application security property, and it's this. This is our URL that we're trying to get to.
We're saving it as a string, aren't we? Or did you change
Yeah,
it?
but that's how I'm cheating. Is it's complaining about it, so I just put an any in front of it for now, just to try to get it working.
But I mean, what about the model? Blog post model.
Yeah, maybe we should save it as a. You can try that. Save it as a safe URL instead of a string. Is that what you're
Yeah.
suggesting?
Yeah.
YouTube.
Use this chair.
Yeah, man, go for it.
My butt's getting tired.
It's got a footrest on it, so you can be maximum footrest.
Butt rest.
Somebody's antsy during this stream.
You talking about me?
Yeah, I am talking about you. It's alright.
Hi, bro. Excited. It's a lot of fun. Finally getting to code something.
I know.
It's not just like preparing for shit.
On submit. Blog post data.youtube URL equals.
That's comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good.
So that's saving it.
So this is now going to be a safe URL. Safe. Right, blog post data.youtube URL. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a string. It's a little sloppy.
Wait, no, it's not.
It'll be coming in as a string. I guess this won't be blog post data.
Oh, it will.
We can create a new
yeah,
variable.
Right, sorry.
Constant blog.
No, you're right. I was confused. Wait, what do you do now?
I was gonna create a second variable so that we could typecast it, but probably doesn't matter that much right now. Alright, so let's clean up our view post. We can get rid of all of this. And we can get rid of this craziness. So now we're gonna have to resave this.
Do we have to use another method to actually get the value from the safe URL? Because now we're just pointing to the safe URL.
I don't think so. This guy's not. This person's not right
H2.
here. He's just returning this bypass security trust resource URL. What is happening? Safe URL is not assignable to parameter of type string. Didn't I just change
Wait, go
this?
to the end.
Oh wait, this is gonna be non-existent.
Yeah. Wait, are you gonna change?
No, because this one will already have been sanitized by the time we
Gotcha.
save it.
Yeah.
Hopefully, if it works. Alright, I'm gonna save it again. Function called invalid data unsported custom object found in. Oh my goodness. Why is it not able?
That's what it was. I don't think it's saved.
It didn't save.
Yeah.
But why can't it save this? Oh, it's because it's got this prototype attached to it.
Yeah, just clear it out and then resave it maybe.
No, I don't think it'll let us save it with this giant prototype on it. I think we have to sanitize it when we're viewing it because you can only save it as a string right here.
Okay.
Ay.
You can't save that data into Firebase. The entire object.
Not that whole object. So let's just go to view post, YouTube URL. Let's go to the component. And yeah, I feel like this is pretty good. So we just need to figure out why this is erroring, and even though we are bypassing the security trust. Post.youtube URL should be working.
Resave it as a string.
Oh, you're right. So we just hit save. It has saved successfully. Whoops.
Oh.
So now if we go read it, it's still throwing that unsaved value used.
Is that all it says? Do you go to that URL? See what it says.
What URL? This one?
Yeah.
No.
It says to see it.
Maybe I should see that URL. I mean, I see it. Maybe we should visit it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Sanitization example. That's for HTML.
Yeah. Sanitizer.bypass security trust URL.
This is dangerous. This dot dangerous. Oh, I threw it is in there.
Okay, so we're doing exactly what they're doing. Well, hold on. Now we're doing exactly what they're doing. And yet, it still doth not work. What does our HTML look like? Source, post.youtube URL.
They did. There was some that said that you needed to use the other type of binding, didn't it? Like with the square brackets, so curly brackets.
Maybe so, but it should work either way. If this works. No.
Yeah, I actually forget the difference between the two types of bindings.
Well, what we just did, there is no difference between square brackets and the double curlies. The only difference is like if you put parentheses on that binding as well. So if you do the banana in the box.
I thought the different type of bindings are which way it's binded. Like if we change the HTML, it won't update the JavaScript with one bind. And then the other bind, if you change the JavaScript, it won't update the HTML. And then you use both together for two-way binding.
Yeah, but we don't need two-way binding.
Yeah.
And then the square bracket's just the one that... the square bracket's just the one that we want to push into.
Mark know how to do it?
Assigned expression type safe URL. Why does this still carry the type over? Dude, I'm pretty
autosave like on.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty
Can we try to serve it up as prod? See.
Yeah.
I feel like it shouldn't. Don't use it for production. Mark's vibing.
Chilling.
Dude, bit rate is through the roof. Nice bit rate. You dropping frames, bro?
Not dropping any frames.
How can you tell?
Because it says excellent.
Okay.
Oh, prod build, you take so long. I understand you're doing your best, but alright, there we go.
Still the same.
Acquired a safe resource URL. Got a URL. Oh, I feel like that's a different error message.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
Maybe you should just chain them.
I don't understand. What the heck is happening here?
Which sanitizer are we using?
DOM sanitizer? I think it's the only one. DOM sanitization service, maybe?
Who's Dom?
After changing the to the.
Nice.
Thanks. That's what I'm gonna name my car wash when I retire and have my own car wash.
Dom?
Dom sanitization service.
Live your dreams.
I'm gonna have a bee farm. No joke. I would love to have a bee farm after I retire.
I bet it's just the sanitize function. Security context. URL.
URL.
If this works, all those people.
Can you do it
were
prod
wrong.
again?
No, I don't want to do it in prod. It's going to take way too long. Alright, so we changed it from bypass security trust resource URL to just plain old sanitize.
With a security context of URL.
With a security context, so hopefully this works.
What is like our other options in there? I'm just curious. Script style, HTML, none. There's no security context. Resource URL.
Alright, let's refresh that page. You can turn this keyboard, you can do the next part.
How do you go back to your other tab?
Control Alt left arrow.
Nope.
Keep going. Press it a button. There you go.
Okay.
Still unsafe value used in a resource URL context. Well, let's try. Dare I say it? Resource URL.
Damn.
I give up.
I'll give up.
Did you say don't give up?
Yeah.
I don't understand how we're doing the same thing. Do we need an embed URL instead of a regular YouTube URL? Could that be a change that we need? If this doesn't work, we should move on because I don't understand.
Give up.
Oh! We're getting close.
What'd you do? Nothing.
I just
Same
backspaced.
origin.
Load denied by same origin. Okay, maybe let's try. go. All right. Lesson learned is make sure you. Oh my
Damn.
All right. Let's go get the actual embed link from YouTube.
Yeah. Might be different, I guess.
It might be different.
Hey everyone.
Share. Embed. Well, look at all of that stuff. All right.
I mean, wait.
Oh
hold
yeah,
on,
we only need this source.
I mean, maybe you copy all of that into our
Frame
HTML.
border. Oh my. Okay.
We'll change it. But it is a different link. Looks like.
Picture in picture. Gyroscope. We don't need gyroscope. We don't need picture in picture. Autoplay. Nope. Accelerometer. Nope. Frame border. All right. Allow full screen. Sure.
Figure that out.
So we do need to
Copy
paste.
it. And copy it.
Copy what?
The embedded URL.
Oh.
It just came.
Yeah, but I have to put this in here.
Yeah, I know. But we still need that.
Post.youtube URL. All right, and then.
All right.
Man, that thing is still.
Is this still going?
It is enabled. Okay. All right, let's put the proper URL embed link in there.
Take the entire time.
And if we did the what the heck is happening?
I mean, we can try some of the other
Yeah,
ones now that we've embedded.
go for it. Oh man, oh man. 44 minutes of trying to embed a YouTube video.
Yeah, this shouldn't be
Time
this
well
hard.
spent.
It should not be this hard.
Welcome to the big chunkus. Why do I have to hit Control S? I don't like that. Makes me.
To save it.
Yeah. Like, are we sure everything is saving? Trusted. Oh. No, there's no way.
Maybe put the source back in the brackets.
I'm doing literally exactly what Angular is telling us to do.
It's like the villager from Minecraft.
Dude,
Thank you.
does not make any sense. Try just copying the link from the YouTube instead of the embed link. From the YouTube tabs all the way to the right. Yeah, just copy the one at the top. There you go.
a reference? Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay. U2.b.
What? YouTube, why do you have so many different URL formats?
Answer.
Okay, yeah. Try just copying the one from the URL.
I still feel like it shouldn't matter.
I agree.
Give it a shot though. No. Nope. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Required a resource URL. Got a URL.
Required a safe resource URL.
But I mean,
So maybe we just
type
need to
is-
figure out how to get a resource URL.
well, this should return
Safe URL.
safe URL.
Do the bypass security resource trust URL. Again, try it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. We're getting close. Load denied. Oh, but then this is when we put the embed in here and then it worked. youtube.com/embed. Boom.
And click on it, it doesn't work.
Oh my gosh. Probably because the URL's busted. I broke it. Okay, well let's go back to this non-embed and just look up that error. Alright, go for it.
I mean, I think this is a this is only an issue because of localhost.
Oh. I'll push it to prod. See what happens. Oh wait.
How the fuck do we change this in Angular?
It's saying it's the wrong URL. I think this is the wrong URL because YouTube is saying you can't access that URL from your domain. So I think we have to get the embed URL, but again, that didn't work.
Oh yeah. Well, let's see what it said in the embed one. 'Cause there's something.
That one was just a busted URL. Like me manually typing embed, the watch part
Oh yeah.
can't be /watch.
Yeah.
So I think we do need to stick with that embed URL. Sure. If you just go back, hit the X in that embed video. Yeah, and just hit share again. And then copy this ID.
Is that the same? But
Yeah.
with embed in it?
Yes. Well, the link is different. Hit share again and just copy the ID itself. Say u2.b.
I can't. Let's just try this.
Same origin. Well, wait, it's still using the old
Yeah, I didn't put embed in it.
No, it's not supposed to be in. Oh.
Well, the other one was.
Ah. Did you put .com in it? Third tab.
So that's what that is.
Yeah, but we want the
SOY.
Yeah. YouTube.com.
No dot.
I think you just forgot to put .com on it. Yeah. Alright, let's see if this YouTube link works.
Hey.
Hey! Alright. Finally. One refresh for good luck. Alright, so now we have our videos being embedded at the top of our blog post. That's pretty sweet. So I guess just to recap, all we have to do is add the right embed URL and then sanitize it with this Angular DOM sanitizer using the bypass security trust resource URL. And it seems the iframe source tag knows how to handle that object automatically. So that's pretty cool.
We're not branching at all.
That's okay. We don't have ticket numbers either.
Okay.
You can just push it into master. You cool with that?
Yeah. Well, we were halfway through the update, so updated on.
Oh, right.
Let's finish that one.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead. Let's see.
Well,
so the index did finish.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go back to sorting by descending created on. So I think we just have to resave all of these blog posts for that timestamp to save, and then that Firebase query collection query should kick in.
So this is I wonder if I just need to unpublish. No.
Yeah, it's gonna resave it. It'll resave it if you unpublish it.
I don't think it goes to the same save function.
It should. Oh, maybe not.
This isn't on the dashboard.
Yeah. Yeah, just hit edit and save each one.
Edit. Save. I don't know if that worked. Which one was this?
The email. TinyMCE.
Yeah, where's that? Which one?
Adding an HTML editor. Whoa!
Great on. Yeah, that did not work.
Maybe we have to do descending.
It didn't. Well, it didn't even update the. Here, let's do this. Up and up.
Small batch devs.
.com.
You might want to pause that video. It's going to be playing in their audio. There you go.
I'm gonna have to go to share.
I think we want the embed link.
Yeah.
Or you just
But
gonna
it's
manually.
like, yeah, you can't just get the link.
Just youtube.com/embed/ID.
Yeah, I can easily do it this one, I guess.
Do you want to just put it through the?
Yeah. Save. What's up?
Can't see anything you just did.
Oh, that's fine.
We just hit the save button.
Okay.
Yeah. We just hit the save button. That's all we did. It did not.
Well, if you go to the data,
Dope.
that's cool. If you go to the data, it's putting created. Oh, it didn't. All right, let's go to the edit and see if there is not. Maybe console log it right after that group. Alright, it's gonna do a tap. You have to tap after line 39. And just Oh, you know why? Because
because post already exists.
yeah. So do created on post dot created on question mark. Put post dot created on before the question mark. That's what all of those should be, because then it would be checking the individual fields on that post.
If post doesn't.
Oh yeah, if it's null. There we go. Sweet. Now it'll work like a charm.
Like a charm. I mean, yeah, I guess those should be for all of them. That would get ugly.
Comma. You can just delete that.
Yeah.
Because we're 100% certain that's what the error is. It updated. Created on. So that's 5:10.
Okay.
What is testing timestamp at? I think we're going to have to do descending order. I think it's weird because it's a timestamp.
Wait. Wait, that's dashboard. So we need a home button here.
Yeah, hit edit on test blog post header real quick and resave it.
Wait, what?
Just added another
I'm
one.
gonna do that.
Yeah, just hit save.
Wait, what's this one? Send grid?
Yeah.
Kill two birds with one stone right here. Where's send grid? There it is.
We should have put. Dude, that looks like such a bad green screen. Oh my gosh.
That's some good color correction right there.
Yeah.
Did I do this one?
I don't know. I think I might have done it, but it was with our webcam instead of the Canon.
Oh god. Resaving it.
Alright.
It's confused.
It did not work.
So it might be descending.
Check the console and make sure that it's not complaining about an index still. Yeah, let's. Might as well do
Change it to-
descending.
yeah.
Desk.
Database service?
Yeah, it's all the way at the end of that second method.
Oh god.
Shift scroll.
I'm just gonna.
Ah. We're gonna have to recreate the index.
Oh,
Darn. Yeah, right up until the @HTTP. Store has global variable. I don't think you copied just that URL.
Let's find out. Gonna learn today. I did.
Wait. Is published? Oh, I guess it won't be ascending. It's just a Boolean.
Can we delete this one?
Do it, man. Well, wait.
Too late.
Unless we're wrong about the descending.
Yeah, then I'll have to recreate it.
Man. Quick shout out to our one viewer.
Are you learning a lot, Mark?
He's learning the debugging process.
I'm learning everything that I need to know.
Alright, it's done.
Wow.
That one was a lot faster. No, it's not done. What the heck? Ah, it's still building.
What's up?
That's followers.
That's probably wrong.
It is probably wrong because it's
What did it say,
showing one.
3?
Showing 1 here.
Yeah. The bit rate's through the roof. No, it's at 1 for.
What?
No, it says 1 for Mark.
It's all good, man.
It is
It's all
what
good.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
While we're waiting, can I show you something
Yeah, man.
on YouTube?
No.
Okay.
So we're just waiting for this Firebase index to finish building so that we can sort these blog posts. And once we do that, we can close out one of our Trello tickets. Making progress.
Oh, I guess we can close out 1. Did we close it? Oh, we did.
Yeah, we had 2 for the YouTube URL, so
Oh.
we'll just close both of those out. We did this too, but we're not sorting by it yet. Just waiting for that index to finish creating.
We can do that other one real quick. Animal.
Oh, it's done.
Okay. Never mind.
Yeah, let's try it out.
Oh, there we go. Wait.
No, that's bad. These are all null. But it is working down here,
Yeah.
so we just need to finish these. Resave.
It sorts in null first.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Huh.
Yeah, empty string must be greater than all those other strings. So if we just resave this, it should trigger that created on, and it did sort it, although we do need it in the opposite order. We need ascending.
Wait, which one did you save?
So I just saved this intro to RxJS, and it's above the sending email with send grid.
Well, we want that. That was our most recent one.
Yeah, but I saved it now.
Well, it's
I guess-
sorting null first, yeah.
Okay, so we just hit save.
We should have done the ArcGIS one last.
We can modify the created on time in the database later.
Okay, so everything should have a create on date now.
Yeah. So we've got it created on here, so it's 516. Firebase queries also has one at 516. Alright, so,
Do the ArcGIS one again. Here.
well, it won't resave it because it already has a created on date.
Oh shit.
But
What are you doing?
I can just delete it. So if we just delete it in the database and resave it. There we go.
Cool.
So is this in order now?
Yeah.
It sure is, and we can delete this one.
Yeah.
Or we don't have a delete
Dashboard.
button.
Wait, do we on the dashboard? We have unpublish. We do not.
Yeah, we can just unpublish it.
So unpublish for now. Or I guess you can delete it directly from the database.
Yeah. We'll just delete that. Alright. Boom. Alright, you want to do the add YAML and bash? You might have to look up what the docs say those are. So we're just going to be updating our HTML editor for our blog posts. We're using TinyMCE, and it lets us do the code snippets. It's got a built-in code snippet creator, and we just have to add YAML and bash scripting to that config, so it'll actually color code those.
Let me remember what they're actually called. The edit? Yeah.
Or it's built on top of. Oh yeah, you might
Yeah.
just be able to add
TinyMCE.
JavaScript markup. So that code sample language is how you set what programming languages the TinyMCE will allow you to set in your editing.
These aren't code samples.
Those aren't code samples.
Yeah.
Code sample plugin, that's right, yeah. You have to install an extra plugin. So I think if you just type in YAML, I'm not sure what they call bash. Hopefully that works. There should be a list though.
Yeah, there should be a list somewhere. I've seen it before. Wait.
Maybe Prism.js has it. If you go to Prism.js's, which ones they support. No, it's just a sample. No, it's just a sample of one that's using those.
I've seen it before, I swear.
Go back to and go to the Stack Overflow one. Maybe he links to it, or they link to it. I have updated mine to be just copy all of it. I just put them all in there.
I mean, this doesn't have
Scroll down.
Bash or YAML.
No, maybe they just don't support those two. I mean, YAML's pretty straightforward. It's just.
I know, it just would be nice for the highlighting look better.
Yeah. TinyMZ code sample. Try that one.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
This one?
Yeah. Don't have permission to edit this page. All right.
Maybe we could try to just throw YAML and Bash in here and see.
Might just crash.
But also there's like multiple ways to spell YAML, so. That is something.
Just do Bash, I guess.
Right. It totally was guessing what I was gonna do. So
That's because it is super smart. It's creepy sometimes. Sometimes it'll write whole for loops for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we might get a payload error here.
You're gonna have to double click on an existing. Yeah, right there. Oh.
I was just.
So we're just gonna test our YAML. Hopefully it works.
I mean, it doesn't error out, so that's kind of cool.
You can also spell YAML with an A. Prop. Hello. String. World. Word. Save it.
Go away, dude.
Don't forget to put a per URL. Saved them.
Test. I'm gonna try the bash one real quick too.
Might as well. Might as well. I don't think you have to put that. It's not executable.
I know, but
Okay.
syntax.
Put a comment and then put like a
comment. Yeah.
and then just put like echo
Yeah.
echo hello world. Hello buds. Should
Single
put
tick. Yeah.
save it.
Oh, weird. Oh, never mind.
It's not published.
It's not weird. I need to patch any of these too. And we need to add a read page, a read button from here.
And a home button.
Yeah, that was all the buttons I was talking about.
Oh.
But we can do that next time. Yeah.
No, it didn't work. Okay. They probably don't support those,
Yeah.
which is understandable. YAML's pretty straightforward, and I feel like Bash should be supported. Alright, well, we tried.
I guess this one's markup, so that's probably why they like.
It's named something else.
I guess HTML. That Maxwell.
Try going back and changing the YAML to the markup.
I mean, it's not gonna matter.
Yeah, it's not the same.
We can just change this one to everything else or something. It doesn't matter. Like miscellaneous.
Yeah.
It's just a name. Move it down to whatever.
We'll update the test one. Let's see what it looks like. It's at the top.
Same thing.
Okay.
It's not.
Well, that's a bummer. And drag that over. Alright, looks like we're done for the day. Do you want to work on anything else, or are you good?
I'm good.
Alright, well,
Good test stream.
yeah, that was a good trial run for
An hour and 12
streaming.
minutes.
So yeah, just to recap, we added the video embeds to our blog posts. It looks pretty sweet actually, having that in there. You can just watch it right while you're reading at the same time. Boom. And then we tried to update our text highlighter so that we could use YAML and Bash, but doesn't look like they support it right now. Or we're just doing it completely wrong. And lastly, we sorted everything by created on and updated on timestamps. So, productive day. So thanks for watching. And if you guys want to watch any coding tutorials, head over to our Small Batch Devs YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Peace.